Hi, so we're looking at the SPSS in Focus 3.6, mean, median, and mode. And so as we've done on all the others, you have to go and set up your variables first. And so in this example problem, the variable is labeled creativity. And so the values are actually times it took individuals to come up with 10 uses for a paperclip. So if you were ever in a business that needed a bunch of paperclip related creativity, this could be a good way to quantify that. Apparently when they timed them, they were using a watch with just a second hand, so our decimal places are 0. And so once we have our variable set up, and we gain just one variable, then we can go back to the data view and then enter our data. So now we have our data input, again up at the top, variable labels the column. We've got our 20 values for how long it took people in seconds to come up with 10 uses of a paperclip. And so if we want the mean, median, mode, the first thing we want to do is go to Analyze, Descriptive Statistics, and Frequencies, and remove the variable creativity over to the right. We're going to click on Statistics, and right up here we have mean, median, mode. We can check those options and hit Continue. We'll hit Paste. The prompt window will pop up in just a second here. Alright, and so our prompt window pops up, and like before, we're going to go ahead and click the Run button. It'll take just a minute to pop up. We have our frequency distribution in a table, and then right up here, we have our mean, median, and mode for our data set, which in this case happens to be the same. So an easy way to come up with the mean, median, and mode from a data set in SPSS, especially if it's a really large data set and you don't really want to take the time to figure that out manually.